Hello all. My name is Roald. That is the name I was given when I was moved into this home. My job here is to sweep the floors. Today I will be taking you on a tour through my home. Welcome to the entertainment room. This is where people chill, as they say. This is Carl, one of my roommates. Say hello, Carl. Carl likes to stare at me from a distance while I work. Oh, please excuse me, Carl, I must get by. This is my life, and like so many of my kind are viewed as part of the wall. This is a metaphor if you weren't sure. It is a valuable experience for you to know the hard work that I do for everyone. Sometimes I like to pretend, what if I was a person? Wouldn't I look so silly walking around on two legs? Silly legs. But then I begin to ponder, am I really so different from a human anyway? Humans perform functions and wake up and go to sleep. I do the same. Are we not the same? The only difference, I suppose, is I have not gifted a voice that